Hi, I'm Neetu. Welcome to my channel Unique Touch by Neetu. Today we have Beach Theme Birthday Series Part 6. In this, I have included two recipes. One is that of the jelly box and the second one is oyster pearl cookies. So first we'll see the ingredients for the jelly box. Half cup sugar, 20 grams gelatin, half liter water and 1 tablespoon vanilla essence. First, take 100 ml of hot water and add to the gelatin. Mix it thoroughly and keep aside. We have taken 100 ml from the 500 ml of water which we have taken. The remaining 400 ml add to a pan and heat. Then add the sugar. Allow the sugar to melt. Stir in between. Once the sugar has been melted, add the soaked gelatin. Let the gelatin dissolve in it. Once the gelatin is diluted, we can add vanilla essence, 1 tablespoon. Then, to suit with the beach theme, we are going to add the food color. Here I have taken jelly food coloring blue. Just add 1 drop. Mix it nicely and allow the mixture to cool down. Once the jelly mix is cooled down, pour it to the mold. Here I have taken rectangular small boxes. Pour the mixture. If you want, you can pour this in one mold. Here I have taken 6 pieces and refrigerated it for 10 minutes. Take out from the refrigerator. Now we'll do the decoration part. To suit with the beach theme, here I have taken biscuit powder which will give a sandy look. So just pour 1 teaspoon to each one. You can cover it completely or like this. Then just keep 1 gum paste topper. This gum paste topper videos are there in the channel. I'll give the description box. These are made without mold. So our jelly boxes are now ready. Next we are going to make oyster pearl cookies. This is basically a butter cookies filled with buttercream and topped with gum paste topper. Now let's see the ingredients. 1½ cup all-purpose flour or maida, 1 tablespoon vanilla essence, 100 gram butter in room temperature, 1 cup powdered sugar, 1 tablespoon milk, plus we need half teaspoon baking powder and 1 pinch of salt. I forgot to take the video. Excuse me for that. Now take the 100 gram butter into a bigger pan. Mix it with a whisk. Beat the butter with the whisk or fork, or even you can use a wooden spatula. Once the butter is beaten thoroughly, we are going to add the powdered sugar. This is 1 cup powdered sugar. We have taken 3/4 cup of sugar and powdered it, so we'll get 1 cup. Mix it with the whisk till the sugar and butter dissolves completely. Once it is mixed, add 1 tablespoon of vanilla essence. Mix it, then add 1 pinch of salt, half teaspoon baking powder. Mix it. Now it's time to add the all-purpose flour. Add the all-purpose flour in batches. Mix it. Now this is a time where you are not able to mix it with the whisk. Remove the whisk. You can use a fork now, or even a wooden spatula. Let all the ingredients combine together. Add 1 tablespoon of milk. Mix. You need to have a chapati dough-like consistency for this. So you can use your hands. If you need to add extra milk to get the same consistency, you can add. I have used half tablespoon more milk for that. Now it's time to bake. Take a baking tray, line it with butter paper. Then take 1 measuring spoon and take 1 full spoon of dough in that. If you use the measuring spoon, you will get the even size for all the cookies. Make into balls with your hands and just press it down slightly. Shape the sides. You don't need a smooth texture for these cookies because for the beach theme series everything is uneven. Shape all the cookies. Now it's time to bake. Preheat the oven in 180 degrees for 10 minutes. Then keep this baking tray and bake it for 160 degrees for 15 to 20 minutes. Our cookies are ready. Now it's time to fill the cookies. I have taken 50 grams of room temperature butter, and to that I have added half cup of powdered sugar. Then beaten it thoroughly and added the color and kept in a piping bag and piped in 1 cookie. Then kept the pearl made with gum paste and topped with the next cookie. So our oyster pearl cookies are ready. I forgot to switch on the camera while doing this. So sorry for that. Hope you enjoyed the video. Thanks for watching. Kindly subscribe and support.